Welcome to Tech Insight, where we dive into the most cutting edge technology transforming the world today. In this video, we're taking an in depth look at the DJI Neo, a brand new drone that's generating significant buzz in the aerial photography and videography community. Whether you're a drone enthusiast, a content creator, or simply curious about the latest tech, the DJI Neo is set to redefine your expectations. DJI has always been at the forefront of drone technology, and with the Neo, they're pushing the boundaries even further. From its sleek design to its powerful camera system, the DJI Neo is packed with features that will elevate your aerial photography and videography experiences. In this video, we'll cover everything from design and build quality to pricing and availability, giving you a comprehensive look at why the DJI Neo is the drone to watch in 2024. One of the standout features of the DJI Neo's design is its modular construction. The drone's components are easily accessible thanks to its removable top covers. This design choice not only simplifies maintenance and repairs, but also allows users to upgrade or customize their drone with ease. Whether you're replacing a battery, upgrading the camera, or simply performing routine maintenance, the DJI Neo's user-friendly design makes it a breeze. At the heart of the DJI Neo is its advanced camera system, which is designed to deliver professional quality footage in a variety of settings. The camera features a 0.5-inch 12-megapixel sensor, capable of capturing stunning 4K video at 30 frames per second. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes, capturing fast-moving subjects, or shooting in low-light conditions, the DJI Neo's camera system is engineered to deliver crisp, vibrant images every time. One of the most exciting features of the DJI Neo's camera is its versatility. The camera is designed to handle a wide range of shooting environments, making it an excellent choice for both amateur photographers and professional filmmakers. The DJI Neo also features a range of automated flight modes that make it easier than ever to capture complex shots. With the tap of a button, you can set the drone to follow a specific subject, orbit around a point of interest, or fly along a predefined path. These automated modes are perfect for capturing dynamic, cinematic shots without having to manually control the drone's every move. The DJI Neo's battery is also designed for quick and easy charging. With the included fast charger, you can fully recharge the battery in just under an hour, meaning you'll spend less time waiting and more time flying. For those who need even more flight time, the DJI Neo's modular design makes it easy to swap out batteries on the go, ensuring that you're always ready for your next flight. The standard package, priced at $199, includes the drone, a controller, and all the essential components you need to start flying right out of the box.